Hi, how are you doing today? In today's video, we'll be looking at Coinbase. So you and I will be jumping right in on Coinbase to buy our first cryptocurrency and to review all the features on Coinbase. Just before we start, kindly smash the like button and subscribe to my channel so that YouTube will push this video to more people. So without further ado, let's get started. Coinbase is the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the US. So we are here. You come here and just type Coinbase, and we're here. Coinbase, buy and sell Bitcoin, Ethereum, and more. So this is the home page. Accept all. You can click get started, or you sign in if you already have an account. And to create an account is very easy. If you want to see the prices of cryptocurrency, you click here. If you want to learn more tips and tutorial, crypto basics, market update, you click here. If you are an individual that want to buy cryptocurrency, which you are, which I am, you can click here to buy and sell and several other things that's here. But if you're a business, you're a corporate entity, you can click here to find out more on what you can do on Coinbase. If you're a developer and you want to connect to their platform, you can come here and connect. And they, as a company, you can learn more about Coinbase here. Career, if you want a job on Coinbase, you can apply here. That's what this top page is all about. Jumpstart your crypto portfolio. Coinbase is the easiest place to buy and sell cryptocurrency. Sign up and get started today. Just type your email address and click get started. So you fill in your email address and your details. Also, they will ask you for your KYC, like your address, and you can put in your bank information. All of them happens during the sign up process, and it's very easy. So you just type in your card details, your bank details for you to buy your first cryptocurrency, your address, and any other information that they will ask of you, which is very easy to fill. It's actually very easy. I've already done this, so I have an account, so I'll be signing in. So this is my own account that I've created for demonstration, and you can see it. So it will bring you to the home page. This is the home page, Coinbase. So we are home, and this is how the home page looks like. From this home page, you can buy your crypto. It's very easy. Just click on buy crypto and you'll be ready to buy your first cryptocurrency. You can buy, you can sell, you can convert, which means you can convert from one crypto to another crypto, from Bitcoin to Ethereum. I don't have any Bitcoin. I don't have any money on this account. It's a demo account, so there's no money here. I made this account to demonstrate to you how to buy and sell Bitcoin. So you see here, you can buy any amount you want. You can customize it to any amount you want. Buy Bitcoin. I've already attached my bank details, which is HSBC. So if I want to buy cryptocurrency, just click on the amount and click on buy now. You see it. It's as easy as that. So I can do like a custom, any price I want, and I will get it instantly. It's simple, it's easy. But you have to connect your bank details here, which you have already done during the sign up process. So these are my watch list. So things I want to be tracking. So we have Bitcoin here, we have Ethereum here, we have Dogecoin here. These are the top 10 crypto. I like tracking them to see what's happening on a day-to-day basis. So you see it. Now, if I want it in a different order, I can click this point here and it will show. All you just need to do is just click on favorite and it will be showing on your home page. If I want to discover more assets, it will show me all the assets that is available here. And all I can do is, if I want to be tracking one of them, I just click on the star option. See it. If I click on here, this option, it will be part of it. But I don't want to be tracking the polka dot. So it's as simple as I can remove anyone. I can add anyone. You can see the market cap here, the change that occurred over the 24 hours. You can see the price. And if you want to buy, just click on buy and you'll be good to go. There's the buy option here. Sell is here. Convert is here, just like I've explained to you earlier. If you want to buy recurrently using the DCA method, the dollar cost averaging, you can click on here, add new, and you add if you want to invest daily, weekly, or monthly. So you can also see the new cryptos on Coinbase, see them, and you can see recent transactions that you've made. So everything I've shown you here, remember we started from the home page where I was showing you here. And if you want to do referral, if you want to get $10 in free crypto, you can refer your friend to use it, which is what we call affiliate marketing. Just enter their email address, and once they sign up and buy or sell crypto with at least $100, then you will get $10 for referring them. You can also copy the link. I've showed you my watch list, and these are other things that you can learn about for cryptocurrency. And for learning about them, like this one now, Band Bridge, you earn $1 bond for learning about them. So let's go to portfolio and see. So if I've invested in Bitcoin, my portfolio will show here what I've invested in and the recent performance. But I told you this is a demo account. You can always click on buy to buy any crypto that you want. And it's very easy. So here it shows your portfolio balance. Now trade, if you want to also buy or sell it, you click on trade. You can click on buy any asset that you want, and you can search for any asset that you want here. So if I want to search for Dogecoin, and this is Dogecoin itself, if I want 3 times its value, I can go for this, but this is Dogecoin itself. So it's as simple as that. Can you see there are different options for you to buy? Click on buy, you'll be ready to buy. Now we are on For You page. Like the For You page on TikTok. Show that this is different, it's cryptocurrency. So other information that be important for you, if you how to earn more on their platform, you can view all here. How to get $10 in Bitcoin, it's available here. News, if you want to learn more about Bitcoin and market cap and blockchain and wallet, all of them are available here. So things that are important for you, updates on cryptocurrencies and news and things like that, they're all available on this page. You can always click on buy and sell to buy and sell. Click on send and receive in order to send cryptocurrency or receive cryptocurrency. Now the final one is notification. Since I'm following Bitcoin and Ethereum, it gives me like a price alert of when it has moved up, when it has come down, and several things like that. So you see, generally it's very easy to use Coinbase to buy your first crypto, and it's the largest crypto exchange in the US. So you can buy your crypto here, and it's very easy to start buying and selling cryptocurrency. It's simple to use. It has a very simple user interface, very easy to understand, and you are good to go. So now that we've talked about Coinbase, let's talk about Binance. And since it's the largest crypto exchange in the world,